Hi everybody, welcome to Mrs. Sedisak's classroom. Today we're going to talk about inferences. Can you make an inference as to what I'll be speaking about? So you may have guessed that an inference is an educated guess based on context clues. So you take clues, whether you see them in person, they're visual clues. You're having a conversation with your bro and he seems kind of like, yeah, dude, I'm fine, whatevs, I'm good. You know that he is not good. You've made an inference based on his body language and his tone. And sometimes we have to do that in the text when we're reading. Say your main character is singing a song from Lady Gaga. Throughout the story, we'll start referencing those lyrics. So you can make an inference that the main character is actually a fan of Lady Gaga, or that Lady Gaga is in fact important to that character, right? Because they keep referencing a lyric or they keep singing a song. So you're making that connection and you're making an inference. So now what you have to do whenever you write a constructive response, when you're answering a question, you're making an inference. You are saying, I think this is the answer. That's your inference. So you make those inferences by evidence throughout the text, right? And so in your constructive response, after you make your inference, you throw in your cited evidence and you explain that evidence. And that is what we call the RACE method. So restate the prompt, answer the question, cite your evidence, and explain why the evidence works to help solve your answer, why it's your proof of your answer. And so it's just really a big important part of what we do when we write constructive responses, and specifically dealing with inferences. I hope this helped, guys. So if you have any questions about inferences, if you couldn't make that inference today, let me know in the comments below. I will gladly make another video to help you out. I hope you had a good day. Rah, rah, goodbye. I like Lady Gaga, ooh la la. Did you make that inference?